सोनशी गांवांत धुल्लाच्या प्रश्नाक लागून दर दिसा थंयच्या थळाव्यांक त्रास जाता. शाळेंत वचपी भुरग्यांकय धुल्ल तशेंच येरादारी करपी ट्रकांचो आवाजाचो त्रास जाता म्हण सोनशी गांवांतली प्राथमीक शाळा होणा सरकारी शाळेंत स्थलांतर करपाचो निर्णय शिक्षण खात्यान घेतला. तशेंच ह्या भुरग्यांक थंय हाडपाक आनी व्हरपाक कदंबा बशीची वेवस्था केल्या म्हण शिक्षण संचालक गजानन भट हांणी सांगलां. आरडीएक्सको खातीर पर्वळेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
My government primary school is there at Sonchi, which is in the mining belt, and hardly there are 6 students. Because of mining, we are facing some problems, so I have made the alternate arrangement. Nearby, my government primary school is there at Honda, which is hardly 3 kilometers away, and our state government bus is there, Kadamba bus. I will take the students every day there, along with the teacher, and also make up and down. We'll take the students and bring back with our state transport. We will take utmost care of our students. This problem was less in the past, but we are facing more, and it was decided earlier that to shift those students to nearby school in the month of June 2017 onwards. I know the problem is there, and we cannot hire any other premises thereby because it is completely mining belt. So best and suitable position is close by, which is at Honda. Besides that, our teacher will accompany with the students, so people need not get any tension regarding the safety and security of the students. While going and while bringing, teacher will be there. So the building which is there close by is no doubt is suffering from mining problem. Close by we don't get any other premises to hire it because same problems they are facing there. So I feel that, and we have already taken decision along with others that to shift to the safest place.